Hi everyone, I am Neeraj, a student of class 9. Today I am going to present my project titled AI based smart vision stick for visually challenged person. The main aim of the project is to help visually impaired people to move safely and independently by detecting obstacles and alerting them in advance. This project is based on the theme Atmanirbhar Bharat as it promotes self-reliance through affordable locally built technology. Visually challenged people face a lot of difficulty while walking because a traditionally white cans can only detect obstacles that are very closer or in contact with them. They often cannot sense objects that are above ground level or a few steps ahead, which sometimes leads to accident or injuries. My project solved this problem using simple and low cost electronics. The components used in this project are Ornido UNO, which control the whole system, ultrasonic sensor, which detect the distance of any obstacle in front of stick, buzzer, which gives a sound alert when obstacle is near, vibration motor, which gives a vibration alert, NV battery to power the circuit connecting wires, and a walking stick, which act as the structure of the model. When the stick is switched on when the stick is switched on the ultrasonic sensor continuously sends sounds wave forward. This wave bounce back when they hit an obstacles, and the Arduino calculate the distance using the time taken for the student to return. If the distance is less than 15 centimeters, the Arduino activate the buzzer and the vibration motor or alerting the user immediately. When the path is clear, both the buzzer and vibration motor automatically turn off. This help the visually challenged person identify obstacles before contact and move safely. As you can see, when I bring an object close to the sensor, the buzzer starts beeping, the vibration motor starts vibrating. When the object is removed, both stop. This proves that the system can successfully detect obstacles and alert the user instantly. In a calculation, my smart vision stick is a cost effective and practical solution that can greatly help visually challenged individuals. In the future, I plan to add more features such as AI camera, GPS tracking, and voice feedback, which will make it more advanced and user friendly. Thank you for watching my project presentation.